Amazon sent out an email today to anybody selling in health and personal care. I'll be talking about what that email means as well as the impact. My name is Stephen Pope, and this is My Amazon Guy. So on the screen here, this is the email that was sent out. It says, "Dear selling partner, you are receiving this email because you previously had products listed or currently have listing in health personal care for the U.S. market. We're rolling out a new experience for listings in this section. However, if you have an UPC exemption for your products from this category, then the below does not apply. Amazon is continuously working to improve customer buying experience, maintaining consistency across product detail pages, and ensuring catalog quality is at par with industry standards. Starting June 1, we will be changing the external product ID field from an optional to a required field for an ASIN." So I'll translate this for you. A UPC code or an EAN code is an external product ID. And basically, they're just forcing you to have a code prior to being listed in that category. This is really not a big update, in my opinion, not a lot of impact. We've had a few clients reach out to us and ask us questions about this. But in reality, it probably won't impact anybody at all unless you're selling in alternative medicines where maybe you're kitting something together at your house, or you haven't got a COA, or you don't have an official document for what you're selling. That's who's going to be impacted by this, because you have to have a UPC code identified to your product. Now, what's unclear to me based on this email is whether you're going to have to register those UPCs with the GS1 to be accepted into this category. If that were to occur, that would be a big change. I don't see that here. I don't see them indicating that registration requirement. So somebody could still go out and just simply buy UPC codes and list in those categories. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. I don't think people are going to be impacted by this, and there's nothing to worry about. So if you already have UPC codes for your products, there's no change. You're still listing products like normal, and this only affects the category for health and personal care. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any additional questions about this change or other changes with Amazon, don't hesitate to leave a comment on this video. We'll shoot some content to address it, and we hope you subscribe and check out My Amazon Guy if you have any Amazon consulting needs. Thanks so much. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.